Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Discord screen share audio not working on Chrome. Let's begin. If you're sharing Chrome on Discord but your friends can't hear any audio, don't worry. This is a super common issue, and I've got a quick fix that actually works. Step 1. Share Chrome tab with audio. Go to Discord and start a screen share, but don't share your entire screen. Instead, go to the Applications tab and select Google Chrome directly. It's not showing up for me here because I don't have anything running in the background. Before you click Go Live, make sure the sound toggle at the bottom is enabled. If you don't see the sound option, cancel and try sharing a specific Chrome tab instead of the full window. Step 2. Check Chrome's microphone settings. If it's still not working, open Chrome Settings, Privacy and Security, Site Settings. Then click on Microphone and make sure Sites can ask to use your microphone is turned on. Also, double check that Discord or any site you're using isn't muted. That should get your audio working when screen sharing Chrome on Discord. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching.